In this video, I am going to be telling you about how to get voice chat on Roblox in 2026. So let's get started. I don't have Roblox in my PC currently, so I'm just gonna be telling you about it, that how you can get voice chat and how to turn it on. So first you have to open Roblox and click on the three dots button which says more. You have to click on that option and click on settings. Once you do this, then you have to click on account info, and once you click on account info, now you have to click on, there would be an option continue with selfie. Once you do this, it will ask for your verification. You have to verify your face to help Roblox identify your age. So once your age is verified, Roblox will automatically gives you access for voice chat, and then you'll be able to get voice chat on Roblox. If your problem still occurs, make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. So yes, this was it for today's video. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe, and thanks for watching.